It is important you always put the bobbin in the correct way. So yes, you do have a 50-50 shot, but the way the bobbin needs to go in is first hold the bobbin so the thread is coming off the left side. Now if you've just wound a bobbin up at the top of the machine, that's exactly how it winds. So if you lift it up off the bobbin winder, drop it right into the bobbin case, it will be correct. Now, just make sure it's always spinning counterclockwise when you put it in there. Bring the thread all the way over until you reach the little groove and follow the arrow. Now, notice what I'm going to do. I'm going to put my finger on that bobbin, and you heard a little click. That click is actually the thread getting in the bobbin tension, and then you can follow around the little groove. There's a little arrow pointing this way, and that's a cutter. It cuts the thread to the perfect length, so when you start to sew, it will bring up the bobbin thread. So if we want to just double check, we can step on our foot control. Notice I don't have to have my bobbin thread pulled up, and I didn't hold my threads when I started to sew either. And there we are all ready to stitch. Use your thread cutter, and we can pull that right on out.